Next up, going green for Phalanx. In this, we need to complete 2 secure nuclear material contracts and extract 4 nuclear fuel rods. Super easy. Okay, so securing nuclear material, we'll need to find one of these missions here, and of course, grab ourselves a Geiger counter. Of course, if you already have one, that's great. You don't even need to worry about searching for them inside of toolboxes as the first part of the contract. Instead, you can just go straight for it. Also, when you get the Geiger counter, make sure to keep it between contracts. That way you don't have to search for it, and things will be a little bit faster. Okay, so approaching the contract here, we'll go ahead and start it. And now we'll need to head to the marked location to grab ourselves a Geiger counter. So we'll head up here and pick up a Geiger counter. Do note you'll be dropping your tactical for this, so if you're carrying something else, make sure to pick it up once more. Then simply holding Q, or whatever your tactical button is, it'll pop out our Geiger counter, and the higher the number, the closer we are to the nuclear fuel stash. Then we need to grab the fuel rods in here, and we also need to extract with these. So we'll grab these ones. The next ones are somewhere in a bush, I think. Once again, finding our way around. Oh, this one's in the water. There we go. Perfect. Now, in order to extract with 4, we need to complete a second one of these missions, and there was one right next to the original contract. So we'll head back, pick it up, and do that as well. Then you're free to extract, or of course keep playing and extract later. You do need to extract the 4 fuel rods with you when the game ends in order to collect the points for this mission, as you need to exfil with them. Okay, so we have a small way to junk. We'll go ahead and do that as well. Right, so there's one here. Yoink. Now we need to go for the other one as well. Now all you need to do is simply extract. So you can mark any exfil location and just go for it. Now obviously getting so much money and completing so many items early in the game is a way to get yourself hunted as the first hunt contract, but of course that's just your luck and of course mine that I am. So we'll go ahead and exfil hopefully soon. I was planning on doing multiple missions, but now that I'm being hunted, my main goal is just extracting with these, as I don't really want to do these missions again. So hopefully they're off on the other side of the map. Right, calling in the exfil chopper. We'll get a UAV up, and now we should be able to extract happily. Sweet, there we go. So when we finish extracting, that'll be going green for Phalanx complete. Perfect. So thank you all for watching this quick video. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.